Good morning, my YouTube friends, family, DIYers, get-her-doners, the guys that start in the morning and don't quit till it's done. Hope you're having a good day today. Jeff and I got a little drain problem, and I'm going to slip you in there. I'm going to sneak this camera in there because there's not really anything that is going to be videoed. It's in a tub. There's nothing I'm going to show of their personal belongings. But just to show you, this is something I have that kind of goes on pretty regular. Hopefully it's going to be an easy fix. We're going to go in. I'm not going to be talking to you. Y'all don't talk back to me. Let's just be quiet, and I'll get you some footage of this. I've turned all the beeping off on the camera, so there'll be no beeping in there. We don't need to drill. Hope this will go down this. It ain't got too many twists and turns. Alright, let's put the drill on it. Look at that. Boy, it don't happen that easy all the time. It don't happen that easy all the time. Got a big wad of hair. That is unusual. See if she's got a Walmart bag. We can peel this off, and if you can, Jeff, can you get out with that door closed? There's some old black nasty mess. Hopefully that knocked it out. It don't normally happen that easy. Then I need some of them rags. Just set it over here. Yeah, I need one of them rags. Just and if you would take that, you had that 5-gallon bucket a while ago.
Yeah.
Take that thing outside or something, fill it up with water before we pour it down this. You can see that little chain on there. Oh, I'm not supposed to be talking to you. I'm sorry. We still got that little drill in here with the screws.
Yeah.
I need to put this thing back on this cover. Now don't y'all run out and buy one of those flex shafts thinking it always works that easy. It don't. Now I don't know if it was because I had y'all with me or what, but that may be a record right there, one of the easiest ones I've ever done. Let's see what else we can get into. I'm gonna take a lunch and I'll be back with you after lunch. This is the rental house Jeff and I have been working on for a while. A month or so, getting it ready. I was gonna show you these storm doors I've started buying. See if the name's on it. Yeah, Anderson. But they come pre-assembled, just like this. And they've been running about, let's see if I got the price on there. No, they're about $400, I believe is what they're running. They're good storm doors. This is about the third one or fourth. This will be the fourth one I believe we've put up here recently because I've started buying these. Like I said, they're just pre-assembled. They've been really easy to put up. Bush, you ready to go? Yeah, I'll have to go around and go up first. See if we can set it up here. Yep. Let's see, it's got to raise up and sit on that seal. Your end's got to raise up too. I think it's got to sit on that seal. Jeff's holding that up there, and it's level, and it's in. Now the door assembly does come partially put in. You got to put the door handles on. You got to put these pieces on like so. All right. Now this I think will slide in with that on. Yes, it does. It slides in like so. All right, then you can turn it, get it to its spot where it turns, and then it'll hold itself in there. So now this door handle assembly goes just like this. There it goes. Now it's starting in. It's trying to go. I think it's just like this. Hold against it. Goes in, and this plate goes on like this. And there's a long screw that goes in right here, and it holds that lock in place. That little short screw goes up here at the top. There it is. And it's really tight. See that? The cylinder's on right there. And it's a double cylinder. One at the bottom, one at the top. Oh, to give you kind of a walkthrough here, because we're gonna be getting everything out of here today. Pictures taken tomorrow. Get it put up for rent. Stainless steel fridge. It's got an ice maker. Stainless steel stove. This is kind of your kitchen coming into your dining room. Had to replace a bunch of the blinds. They always get tore up. Living room. It's got a good sized living room in it. Then we got a bedroom, bathroom here. I always usually put a shower curtain up and the rods and everything, and so I let them do with that what they want. When it gets dirty, then they can replace it. But this is going upstairs. It's got a nice big upstairs that some teenager or an office or a man cave or something like that, but it's got a good big room where the washer and dryer goes. We cut a little piece of vinyl. I put some Luan down there on the bottom of that floor, cut a piece of vinyl for it. We just had to do some touch-up painting and whatnot on it, but all in all, it's ready to go. It's a nice little home, central heat and air. It's a nice 2-story garage that a couple months ago I had a guy come in, it had the garage door but no automatic opener. Had the guy come in, put an automatic opener on it. Then it goes upstairs, and then it's a whole big room upstairs up there. Also had the electrician come in. That's probably been a year ago, year and a half, and did a bunch of rewiring and put new lights in and stuff. So nice place. Good morning, my YouTube friends and family. This is next day. I hope you're having a good day. Hope everything's going good. So we're just going to continue on with this video. I've got a couple things going on that I wanted to show you. We're going to go over here, hook up to the big trailer, and I need to take my tractor to those 5 units. I need to move a dumpster. I had a dumpster brought in, and it's actually sitting too far away from the little house they're working on. They need it up closer. It is a little hassle to load up the big tractor just to go up there and move that dumpster, but it is what it is. I got to do it. And they're sheetrocking, and I missed a wall heater. This unit had wall heaters in it. That's the way it heated. It had never had central heat and air in it. I've put central heat and air in it, and I want all those wall heaters out, and I missed one back in the utility room because it was dark. All the electricity is pulled from the house because they're putting vinyl siding on it and whatnot. So I'll show you when we get there. gonna move this dumpster right over here. I'm gonna get it up closer to this other house. It used to be an office years ago, and then the guy that owned it did some work on it and turned it into a rental apartment, and rented it out for a few years, several years, and then now I bought it, and my wife didn't care for the layout in there, so she wanted it gutted and redone. I'll show it to you here in just a minute. Now there's no power in here, so we've disconnected all the power. And I'm going to get this dumpster up here closer because they're sheetrocking, and that way they can put the stuff in here. So I'm paying for this dumpster, so I might as well have it here. Then I got something new I'm going to show you I'm going to start doing to a lot of my rental properties to make them my own. Actually, an idea that another couple had. The couple that was with us down in Waco at Magnolia Farms, they were like, you should do this. Since there's no electricity in here, I brought the little Milwaukee. That's a rechargeable headlamp. Got the little M12 Rover, I think is what that was called. So here's the heater I missed. And, I need to get this out of here somehow, some way. Oh man, why they make these tools that you gotta go get a pair of pliers to get the bit out of it. Let me go get a pair of pliers.
Yeah, mine might come out good. We want the flare heat?
Yeah. Jeff's came out. But sometimes yours is hard to get out too, isn't it?
Yep.
I don't know why they make them like that. Tools that you can't. See how these. There it is. Part one.
Mm-hmm.
There's wire cutters on the driver's side.
Okay.
On the back seat floorboard, yeah. Driver's side, back seat floorboard. Take all that outside and we'll scrap metal it.
All right.
Let me just show you a little bit about what's going on. All replumbed, new shower tub combo. Hot water heater is going to go there. And the ceiling had vinyl ceiling on it, and we took that out, sheetrocked it. Then this moves in where the toilet and your vanity. Of course, everything's going to be brand new in here. It's going to rip all that out. And you may remember a few videos ago that there was nothing but stud walls in here because we tore all of this out down through here. Every bit of this was tore out down through here and reframed up. It was open ceiling, so you can see there's an air vent return. There's a air vent there, so central heat and air has been put in. All new panel box, and there was just one closet, so we had there's a closet there. This is going to be like your children's bedroom. This will be like the master bedroom here, and we did a kind of a walk-in closet right here, and tore out all the kitchen cabinets because we're going to redesign that. This was, you see where that's cut out right there on the sheetrock on the wall. That was a bedroom. We tore that bedroom out, opened this up, made it where it can be your living room and your kitchen area. So when this was switched from a office to a home, they added that back bathroom on. back there and to put a shower and utility room stuff in. So there was like a big pipe coming out of here going up, another pipe going all the way across, so they could run power to that back room. So I had all that taken off. So all this is like, see, it's disconnected and all the wiring. And we did that so that they could get the vinyl siding behind it. It's all new windows. Everything's going to be brand new. I always tell Jeff, and I tell anybody, I'm not going to rent you a place that I wouldn't live in myself. And I'm always going to rent you a nice place. Now, if you tear it up once you move in, or you trash it out, that's you. But I'm going to give you a nice place to live. This is the house we just got done, so it's finished inside, outside. Had some old raggedy bushes, shrubs, just whatnot here. So Jeff went and got 5 gallons of water, and so we'll just pour some out right here, Jeff. Yeah, right in here. Just pour that whole 5 gallon. We'll get another 5 gallon, and maybe pour over here. Try to soften this ground up. We ain't had any rain in 2 or 3 weeks, so the ground's really hard. You see these holly bushes here? That's a holly blue boy, and this is a holly blue girl. So I guess you gotta have a boy and a girl. I don't know. That's what I got. Anyway, it ain't Steve and Steve or Ann and Ann. It's a boy and a girl. So when we were down at Waco and we were looking at all the magnolia properties, they had a magnolia tree, several, whatever, on every property they own. So the people we were with, because mine is called Holly Tree Rentals, they was like, man, you ought to set it like a holly tree or a holly bush or something out on every property you own, just to kind of identify it. I'm going to start doing that. This is the wrong time of year to be setting shrubs, but we're doing it anyway. We'll probably have to come over every day, put a 5 gallon bucket of water on each one of them to try to get them rooted. And then we're going to mulch. I bought some mulch, just trying to really dress the place up, make it look really nice for whoever the next family is going to be. So we've wet that ground so we can maybe dig it. So let's go. Golly, that's gravel. We may have to go get the backhoe. Maybe it'll just be here on top. We can get through it. Golly, that's some hard stuff right there. But at least we put that water on it. I can tell it helped. If that thing lives, it'll be a miracle.
Some rocks.
We beat the crap out of it. I have already knocked it sideways. No, them rocks, they won't hurt nothing. I don't think they will. Yeah, you can. I'm just gonna do a thin layer. I'm not gonna pile it all the way up, because I'm hoping we can put it all the way around. I may not have bought enough. Sweating so much, it's dripping down on my glasses. I can't see. I'm gonna have to go get my headband. Give me a bandana. But there we go. So that's going to start being our signature look. Either a holly tree or holly shrubs like that right there. If I always can, I'll buy a boy and a girl, Jack and Jill, Adam and Eve. There you go.